Namaskar. We will learn Brahmari Pranayama. Brahmari is a Sanskrit word taken from the bhamra, that is the black bee. This is to make a sound like a black bee sound, is humming sound. In this pranayama, we use the sound vibrations to massage the internal part of the brain, because skull is hard and here no asana or some other thing can work so that you can stretch or do something. The best way of working upon it is through the Brahmari Pranayama, making vibrations through the resonating effect. We massage the internal part of the brain. In our brain, there is one part, that is hypothalamus part of the brain, which is responsible for the emotional responses. And this pranayama work upon that hypothalamus part, and it works upon the pituitary and pineal gland, which is responsible for the controlling the hormones. So this is very good pranayama and it's very easy and it can be done by anybody. So in this pranayama, we create vibrations, sound vibrations, by plucking ears with the index finger. So with the index finger, you pluck the ears and keeping spine straight, jaws relaxed, eyes gently closed, and making humming sound like this. First inhale. In this way, one can do 5 to 10 rounds or even more as required. An important point of this practice is, during the practice, you become aware of the vibrations inside the head. And after finishing your rounds, you unplug your ears, hands upon head, keep your eyes closed, and become aware of the after effects of the vibrations inside the head. And you will feel that something is happening inside the brain, something is settling down. This is tranquilizing pranayama. This brings peace and tranquility into the body and mind. One thing is to remember during the practice of the Brahmari Pranayama, that the pitch of the sound should not be very low or very high. Then you won't feel such tranquilizing effect. Suppose it's very low, then you won't feel the vibration during the practice and after effects of the practice. If the pitch is very high like this, this is also not soothing effect. So this is to remember that pitch should be at the medium pace where you feel the vibrations during the practice and after effects of the practice. This is very good pranayama, and one should incorporate into one's daily life, daily practice of yoga, or into daily life. Thank you.